guys, welcome. My name is MagdalineJanet and welcome to my channel, and happy National Girls Day today. Yay! So today I am here because I am going to be testing out and doing lip swatches on the Fenty Gloss Bomb kit that recently came out. It actually released today, October 11th. So I've never tried any of Fenty Gloss Bombs and I hear all the rage about them. So I wanted to try out myself to see if they are really worth the hype, you know? Especially getting mini sizes and a variety of them. I felt like it's the perfect opportunity to do lip swatches and to let you guys know how they are, you know, on baby lips like mine. So if you're interested in seeing how the lip swatches go, my review, first impression, and the rank I give in the Gloss Bomb kit, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post videos like this all the time. And without further ado, let's get started. So here's the Gloss Bomb set. Looks like this, and it comes out in this carton. It's like a tin can. Oh, look it! And it looks like this. So pretty. It's like, you know those holiday cookies that come in the tin can that you grow up eating? Well, at least I did. I'll put a picture here. This is exactly what it reminds me of and the feel of it, you know? So here are all the 5 glosses. Ah! Oh my gosh, so exciting. And of course I have nothing on my lips. I look really weird and I have small lips. The lip application process in my makeup routine is my least favorite because it's the last step and I have small lips and I barely have a Cupid's bow. Look. So the lip application, I'm kind of like whatever, which is why it's taking me so long to actually use the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bombs, you know? So I'm here. Yay! Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna swatch them on my lips with nothing on because that's really the purpose, so you can see how it looks. I've never done a lip swatching video, so wish me luck. But yeah. So let's get some info on this. The mini lip gloss set retails for $42 at Sephora at FentyBeauty.com. I physically went to the store today and got it. It is a limited edition and it features Fussy and 4 brand new shades. Oh, okay. I didn't know that. It's an ultra giftable keepsake tin. And the ingredient highlights are shea butter, which hydrates and smooths the lips. And the product is cruelty free. Let's move us in closer so you can really look at my lips. So this is how my lips look. All I do have is some Vaseline on there. Just go from left to right. Don't mind my hand. This is the eyeliner hazard that happens every time. So I'm gonna start off with the pink shade. It's called Pretty Please. It's 0.18 fluid ounces. Shelf life is 12 months. Let's go. Oh, look it. So freaking cute. And let's apply. Oh, a lot comes off. Oh my gosh, I have something in my teeth. This smells really good. It smells like, I feel like a strawberry scent. I don't like scents in anything, so it's kind of strong for me, but it's pretty. It doesn't feel as glossy as I thought it would be. So this is Pretty Please. Back up and see how it looks like a little further back. It's really pink, which is fine. It actually kind of goes with the vibe. A little colorful, but you know. So this is Pretty Please. We're gonna get back close and get the next one. You guys, I cannot believe I started off with something on my tooth. Oh well, I'm gonna keep it in so you guys see. This is what happens. Shit happens all the time. I just took Pretty Please off and it left it a little bit stained, which is pretty surprising. I wouldn't think it did that, but there is some of the shimmer slash glitter left. So just the FYI, I can still see it stuck on my lips right now. Next is the shade Fussy. This is a shade that's already in the collection. I'm gonna take some of the excess off because the first time a lot came off. I don't really have a Cupid's bow, so I usually always create it. This is super natural. These smell good. They smell like something. I can't put my finger on, but it's a scent. Pretty strong. But then now that I have it on, I can't really smell it anymore. It's just the initial as you place it. So this is the shade Fussy. The Fussy shade is classified under Universal Lip Luminizer, our high shine. Again, let's back up and take one of my pillows away. So this is how Fussy looks. This is the shade that's existing. It looks pretty good. I like it. It's very sheer. It doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel thick. Let's see. A lot didn't come off. Just a little. You see it right here. I usually do that so it's less likely you get lipstick or lip gloss on your teeth. Just kind of do that whole situation. It smells good. I'm kind of liking the scent. I hate scented things. Ugh. We're back close, testing out confetti. Once again, I like that the doe foot applicator, it looks like it would be the size of the actual standard size. So that's nice. Although I always prefer smaller doe foot applicators since I do have small lips. This is the shade Confetti. It's an iridescent purple, but it looks really good on your lips. I feel like it really takes of the color and shade of your natural lip color, which is really nice. This is how it looks. I'm back with nothing on my lips, absolutely nothing. They feel dry AF. We're gonna start off with hot chocolate. It's a brown, golden shimmers inside. This has more of a fruity scent. Okay, let's start off. Oh wait, let me take some off. My lips can't handle all that. The details in the gloss bombs is that they're an addictive shine, nourishing wear, universal finishing touch, featuring the best-selling Fussy and 4 brand new shades. This is how hot chocolate looks. Backed up a little bit, this is how hot chocolate looks. Again, it feels comfortable. This one definitely has a fruity scent to it. Back now, we are going to go in with the shade Cheeky. Looks like this. It's a pretty orange red shade. The shade Cheeky. Let's back up and see. This is how Cheeky looks with us a little bit further out. I really like this one. Honestly, I like them all. I feel like they really are all universal. So, wow, guys, I am very pleasantly surprised on how all these swatched on my lip. My first impression and thoughts were that these colors were really gonna shine through on your lips, kind of like lipstick or like a lip liner would. But wow, I feel like each and every shade match your skin tone. It transformed to being your own lip shade and lip color. Oh, I am like shocked. I'm pretty shocked. The one I would say I least like is the Pretty Please shade. I'm not a big pink wearer, but it's not even that. The pink was actually pretty. It has a lot of glitter particles that are now all over my mouth area, which I just glitter all over the place. Ugh. You know those glitter cards that like happy birthday cards and birthday bags that have all the glitter? I always avoid those. Because if I don't want glitter all over my house and in my car, I highly doubt my friend or my friend's kid will like that. You know what I mean? So that's kind of how I feel about the Pretty Please shade. But other than that, wow. Like, wow. I really think it's such a cool idea that they added this one in, Fussy, which is their best-selling one. But it really worked the best on more of a neutral lip shade. But like I said, these are all amazing. I really liked how they feel. How they're not too glossy. They're not sticky. I always test it out if they are sticky, and they're not. So look. So that's really good. I mean, I really like this set. The original sizes, I'll add a picture here. They retail for $18 and they are 0.3 ounces. And these are 0.18 ounces. Each one is $8.40. So that's not bad. I really think it's worth the splurge of $42 For me, I personally never buy high-end lip products because like I said, it's not my favorite part of my makeup process. Although I've been getting a lot better outlining my lips and actually making them look a lot bigger, which is always the case because I have little lips. See? But yeah, guys, anyway, so this is really my first high-end purchase of lip products, and I'm very surprised. I'm pleasantly surprised how well these work. So my ranking in this out of 5, I'm gonna give it a 4.5 out of 5. And the only reason I'm giving it the 4.5 is because of the price. It's high-end and it's pretty expensive for some lip glosses, but that's just me. But I felt like the texture is perfect. It's not sticky. They all the shades really are customized to your warmth and your body. And yeah, guys, and also the Pretty Please, it wasn't my favorite, which also knocked down to the 0.5, but I'm happy with this. I'm glad I bought it. I wasn't sure if I wanted to buy it because I felt like it was really expensive. I feel like it would be a perfect Christmas gift to yourself, of course. Just kidding. Or any of your family members, any makeup lovers. Don't forget, these are limited editions, so they will be gone soon, I'm pretty sure. And they are available right now. I hope you enjoyed this quick lip swatching video, and I hope you found it helpful to see whether you want to buy it or it's worth buying. You know what I mean? So I think that is all. Thank you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. And once again, happy International Girls' Day. And let's move on to the bloopers because, girl, let me tell you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, it is hot in here. I am very surprised on how these work. Oh my god. You are hot chocolate. Ow. Oh shit. Welcome to my channel where I am a hot ass mess every time, but I edit everything out. Not today. Rank these out of 5.